Ever heard of Raiz? This investment app is popping up everywhere, but where exactly did it come from? Is Raiz an Australian company? You know, sometimes it feels like every other week a new fintech app is trying to revolutionize our finances. And Raiz? They're definitely making waves. But let's get down to the basics. Where did this micro-investing phenomenon actually originate? Now, you might be surprised to learn that Raiz actually has a pretty interesting backstory. It all started in Australia. That's right. This innovative investment platform was born and bred down under. A group of Aussie entrepreneurs, frustrated with the traditional banking system and the lack of accessible investment options for everyday people, decided to do something about it. Their vision? To make investing simple, affordable, and accessible to everyone, regardless of their income or investment experience. And that's exactly what they set out to achieve. Raiz, at its core, is designed to make micro-investing a breeze. You can link your bank account or card to the app and round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. Those spare cents? They get automatically invested into a diversified portfolio of your choice. Think about it, that morning coffee that cost you $4.50? Raiz rounds it up to $5 and invests that extra 50 cents. It might not seem like much, but those small contributions can add up significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. And that's not all. Raiz also offers a range of investment portfolios to suit different risk appetites and financial goals. Whether you're a cautious investor or a bit more adventurous, you can find a portfolio that aligns with your comfort level. But here's the thing, while Raiz was born in Australia, it's definitely not just an Australian company anymore. Over the years, Raiz has expanded its reach, venturing into new markets and helping people around the world take control of their financial futures. So, there you have it. Is Raiz an Australian company? Absolutely. But it's also a global player, making a real difference in the lives of people everywhere. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.